Hello, my XOXO squad, and welcome back to Miss E's channel. Yes, it's been about a week, I think. I actually recorded a video last week, but it did not record. The struggles. But anywho, it did not record, and so of course I took pictures and everything, so I still put those up, but it didn't record. But anywho, hey you guys, and welcome back. If you are not already, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this channel. And let's be real. I'm like, yeah, and all of this. I'm gonna be real, okay? Let's just be real. I'm like, too much, just a little much. But anywho, today's video, which is not that new. I don't think this palette's that new, but it's new enough. And I went and I got, of course, y'all know I'm a fan of Maybelline. I'm not, I know Tyga says his women wear Fenty, not the Maybelline, but Maybelline come out with good stuff. And I can't afford Fenty right now. Well, I could, but I'll just be thinking about that and be like, no, I could spend that on all types of things, But anywho, so boom, yes, I went and picked up their newest eyeshadow palette. It is the Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze palette. And you know what? It said it smelled, and I didn't really check that out. Let me see. It's kind of citrusy. I don't too much like that. I guess it's supposed to be citrusy, but But anywho, yes, I went and picked this up. It's close to like $10, you might as well say, including a little tax, it's probably $10 or something. No, I'm not getting paid to do Maybelline stuff. I just love it because to me, it's equal. It's on a low, it's affordable, but you get what you pay for it to me. With a lot of their products, I usually get what I pay for, so I'm not gonna lie. I like their products, But anywho, so on the back, it gives you, 3 types of looks. And you have sherbet, citrus, berry ice, strawberry lemonade, ice pop, old fashioned, sugar coated, sweet tea, coral punch, which is my favorite. Y'all know I love pink. Coral punch is my favorite. Main squeeze, lemonade, Craze is also my second favorite because y'all, it's what's on my eyelid, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is the perfect pink. I'm a pink fan, so it's a perfect pink. And Sunnies. So, these are the colors, guys. I mean, if you can't see it, like I said, these two are my favorite. I did use strawberry lemonade, ice pop. I used a little bit of old fashioned. Citrus is right here in my tear duct. And yeah, that's about it so far. I want to use lemon graze, main squeeze, and sherbet. But I just realized with colors like this, these lighter shades, seeing that I am African American, it's kind of hard to see on my skin. So I usually try to go for more of the darker shades, But I will use stuff like this, the lighter metallic type color. I will use that in my tear duct. So that's what I use. This citrus is pretty. It'll be good all over the lid too because it's very loud. It pops. It's very pigmented. I will say that these colors are very pigmented. And so if you're interested in this review on the Lemonade Craze palette. I was going to say Craze. Lemonade Craze palette. Continue to watch and check it out. Until next time, my beautiful squad. Love you guys. Peace, love, and happiness from your lady, Miss E. Bye-bye.